In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your contacts in Docusign. If you're managing a lot of electronic documents, keeping your contact list up to date can streamline your workflow and make your experience much more efficient. Let's jump right in and go through the process step by step. First, you need to head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for its robust electronic signature and intelligent agreement management solutions, so you're in the right place. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Take a moment to click on the Login button, which will take you to the Sign In page. Enter your login details carefully. Remember, this login process ensures your documents and contacts remain secure and accessible only to you. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. This is your hub for managing everything from agreements to contacts. Look towards the top or side navigation panels and find the Profile button. Clicking on this will allow you access to more personalized settings related to your account. Once in your profile, navigate to the My Preferences section. This area contains settings about how Docusign interacts with you and how you want your documents and contacts to be managed. It's always a great idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as tailoring it to your needs can save you time in the future. Now look for the option labeled Contacts. This is where we'll focus our attention to make the necessary edits. It's important because your contact list is what makes sending and managing agreements seamless. By keeping this list updated, you ensure that your communications are always sent to the right place. Within the Contacts section, locate and click on Directory. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of your current contacts stored in Docusign. From here you can add new contacts, edit existing ones, or even remove those you no longer need. This directory serves as a centralized place to manage your networking within Docusign. It keeps your professional relationships organized and easily accessible at your fingertips. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to edit your contacts in Docusign, but you've also gained valuable insight into the various features that Docusign offers to enhance your digital workflow. Remember, keeping your contacts in tip-top shape is not just about organization, it's about ensuring your document management system works efficiently and effectively for you. Thanks for watching this guide, and I hope you found it helpful. For more tips and tutorials on using Docusign and other digital tools, be sure to check out our other videos. Have a great day and happy document signing.